Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to make an authentic American street-style burger. Big, juicy, cheesy, and absolutely packed with flavor. Imagine walking down the streets of New York or Chicago, smelling the sizzling patties, the melted cheese, and the freshly baked buns. That's exactly the experience we're recreating today, right in your own kitchen. This isn't just any burger. This is the kind of burger that makes your mouth water just by looking at it. Every layer, every ingredient is chosen to give you that perfect street food vibe. So grab your apron, get ready to cook, and let's dive right into this amazing burger recipe. Here's what you'll need to make this mouth-watering burger. 500 grams of ground beef, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs, 2 slices of American cheese, fresh burger buns, preferably with sesame seeds, lettuce leaves, tomato slices, pickles, onion rings, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. Optional BBQ sauce and jalapenos for extra flavor. Now it's time to prepare the heart of the burger, the patty. Start by combining the ground beef with salt, pepper, garlic powder, the egg, and breadcrumbs. Make sure to mix everything gently. Overworking the meat can make your patty tough and dry, and we want it to be tender, juicy, and flavorful. Once your ingredients are fully combined, shape the beef into large, thick patties. American-style burgers are meant to be big, so don't be shy. Make them substantial, because this is what makes the burger feel indulgent and satisfying. Take a moment to press the patties gently, forming them evenly so they cook perfectly. This careful preparation is the foundation for a truly amazing street-style burger. Next, we're going to cook these beautiful patties. Heat a skillet or grill over medium. Heat and lightly brush it with oil to prevent sticking. Place your patties on the hot surface and listen to that satisfying sizzle. It's the sound of flavor being locked in. Cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes until the outside is nicely browned and caramelized. During the last minute of cooking, place a slice of American cheese on top of each patty and cover it with a lid. Watch as the cheese slowly melts over the patty, creating that gooey, luscious layer that makes every bite unforgettable. This simple step is what gives the burger its signature street food look and taste. While the patties are cooking, let's prepare the buns. Slice them in half and spread a thin layer of butter on the inside. Toast them lightly on a pan or grill until golden brown. Toasting the buns does more than just add crunch. It enhances the flavor, adds a nutty aroma, and gives a satisfying texture when you bite into the burger. Imagine the bun holding all the juicy layers together without becoming soggy. That's why this step is essential for an authentic, street-style burger experience. Now comes the most exciting part, assembling your burger. Start with the bottom bun and spread a generous layer of mayonnaise and ketchup. Place fresh lettuce leaves on top to add a crisp texture, followed by the hot, cheesy beef patty. The melted cheese should be soft and stringy, adding both flavor and visual appeal. Next, layer on the tomato slices, tangy pickles, and crispy onion rings. For an extra kick, drizzle some BBQ sauce or sprinkle a few jalapenos. This really brings the authentic, street-style flavor alive. Finally, gently place the top bun, pressing down lightly so everything stays together. Take a moment to admire your creation, a true American street-style burger ready to be devoured. Just look at that, a massive, juicy burger with melted cheese, fresh vegetables, and all the flavors perfectly layered in every bite. Serve it with a side of crispy golden fries and a cold, fizzy soda for the ultimate American street food experience. Notice how the layers work together, the crunchy lettuce, the tender patty, the gooey cheese, and the soft toasted bun. Every bite is a combination of textures and flavors that takes your taste buds straight to the streets of the USA. This is the kind of burger you'll want to make again and again, and maybe even impress your friends with at your next cookout. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Tell us about your favorite burger toppings. Do you love extra cheese, bacon, or spicy jalapenos? We love hearing your ideas, and your suggestions might just inspire our next video. Stay tuned for more delicious American street food recipes. tips and hacks to take your homemade meals to the next level. Thank you for cooking with us today. See you in the next video.